Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about God particle theory or quantum theory. The God particle theory and quantum theory are two separate concepts in physics, but they both plays crucial role in the understanding the fundamental nature of the universe. The God particle is a popular term referring to the Higgs boson, a fundamental particle in a particle physics. The theory behind the Higgs boson originated in the 1960s when physicist Peter Higgs, along with other researchers, proposed a mechanism to explain how elementary particles acquire mass. The theory became a crucial component of the Standard Model, which is a prevailing theory describing the fundamental particle and their interaction. According to the Standard Model, the universe is composed of various elementary particles including quarks, lepton, and gauge boson, which are responsible for the mediating the fundamental forces. However, the model couldn't explain why some particles like W and Z boson have a mass while others like the photon are massless. To address this issue, Peter Higgs and others introduced the concept of the Higgs field. The Higgs field is a theoretical field that permeates all of space and is associated with the Higgs boson. Particles interact with the Higgs field, acquiring mass through this interaction. The more they interact, the more masses they become. On the other hand, particles that don't interact with the Higgs field, like photon, remain massless. The existence of the Higgs boson and the Higgs field was confirmed in 2012 through the work of the thousands of scientists at CERN, that is European Organization for Nuclear Research, using the Large Hadron Collider, the LCH. LHC is the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator designed to collide the protons at a high energy to study the fundamental building blocks of matter. The discovery of the Higgs boson was a significant achievement in the particle physics and cosmology. It provided a strong evidence in favor of the Standard Model and shed light on how particles acquire the mass. Understanding the Higgs mechanism is crucial to our comprehension of the early universe and the processes that occurred during the Big Bang. Next one is the quantum theorem, that is quantum mechanics. Quantum theory, also known as a quantum mechanics, is a fundamental branch of the physics that describes the behavior of matter and energy at atomic subatomic scales. Unlike classical mechanics, which successfully describe the motion of the everyday object, quantum mechanics is necessary to explain phenomena at the smallest scale. The foundation of the quantum theory lies in a work of pioneering physicists like Max Planck, Albert Einstein, Niels Bohr, Werner Heisenberg, and others during the early 20th century. They develop a new theoretical framework to explain the behavior of the particles such as the electron, proton, and photons. Next is a key principle of the quantum mechanics. It includes wave-particle duality. This concept proposes that particles like electron and photon can exhibit both particle-like and wave-like properties. They can behave as a discrete particle in some experiment while acting as a waves with the wave function in order. This duality is a fundamental to the understanding the behavior of the particle on microscopic scale. Next is the superposition. According to the quantum theory, particle can exist in a multiple states simultaneously, known as a superposition, until they are observed or measured. This idea challenges our classical intuition, as it implies that the particle can be several states at once until a specific observation collapses the wave function into the one definite state. Next is the uncertainty principle proposed by Werner Heisenberg. This principle states the certain pairs of the complementary properties such as a position and momentum cannot be precisely known as a simultaneously. The more accurately one property is measured, the less precisely the other can be determined. This inherent uncertainty is a fundamental feature of the quantum world. Next is the entanglement. Entanglement is a phenomenon where two or more particles become connected in such way that the states of one particle instantly affects the state of another, regardless of the distance between them. This non-local correlation is one of the most intriguing aspects of quantum mechanics and has been experimentally verified. Quantum mechanics has a lead revolutionary technological advancement including transistor, laser, and atomic clock, which underpin modern electronic and communication system. It has also enabled the development of the quantum computing, which promises exponentially faster. Despite its empirical success, quantum mechanics possesses profound philosophical questions about the nature of the reality, the role of the observer, and the limitation of our classical intuition in understanding the quantum world. Researchers and scientists continue to explore the quantum theory, application, and implication, seeking to unveil the mysteries of the universe at its most fundamental level. That's all about the quantum theorem. Thank you.